Here I am in my car. It is pouring down, raining. Here in Michigan, we went from sub-zero temperatures, like below freezing for more than a week, and tons of snow, to now it is almost 40 degrees and just raining every day. It's been a weird winter. But anyways, I'm in the parking lot of the Salvation Army. I want to go in and see what I can find to flip for a profit. And also give you the weather update. Here we go. Let's get out of the rain. Tan tags are 50% off today. That tag says 8 for $12.99. It is Pioneer Woman, which is exactly what I thought it was. If it was half price, maybe I'd put it in my cart. It looked really pretty with their Valentine's Day display. This owl was super big and heavy and kind of wedged in there. But this was way more interesting. $7.99. I'm gonna have to leave it. For some reason that reminds me of Pizza Hut. Not sure. Oh, that's the caveman. $2 for $3 to think about that. Ooh, now we're talking. It says France on the bottom. Why is there no price? I'm still putting them in the cart. Love the gold ones. As I look up, there's 2 more. 2 for $5. So this one says 4 for $6.99, but there's only 3 of them. To see if I can find the 4th one. Although I didn't find that 4th glass, I'm now looking at these. LL Bean. Blueberry. I gotta look these up. These are definitely a bolo, but these are really faded. Look how faded the blueberries are. Been put through the dishwasher one too many times. These look so modern to me, but I love bright colors. Syracuse China Cantina. I've actually sold the vintage mugs to this set. Let me go get both of them here. They went $3 a piece for them. There are lots of vintage sets. I think this was here last time. This was definitely here last time. Mainstays. This is a beautiful vintage set, but $110 for 80 pieces. That's a little too much for me. I grabbed this down from the top shelf of the clear glass aisle. It's right next to where the mugs are. 3 pieces for $5.99. Tan tag though, 50% off. pretty lusterware pieces, but damaged.
It's 50% off. We ask that you limit your living room items to 6 items per visit, and please bring out what you take in, and there's a rack outside the living room for your convenience. We appreciate you shopping and supporting your local Salvation Army.
Now I'm looking at all the clear glass. This one unfortunately doesn't go for a lot, so it's going to have to stay on the shelf. Looks like a lot of chickens today. $5.99, made in Italy. I'm not sure I like that one that much. I like this one better, but it is $7.99 and no brand on the bottom. This one's kind of cute, and it's $5.99. It says Marketplace. Looks modern. This teapot is $6.99. These cute little birdhouses on it. Thompson pottery, but it doesn't sell for a lot. My favorite bin to start digging in. I'm going to have to look through here to see if I can find some more. Oh, I think I already found one. If it has the braid on it, it says Gorham. I definitely want them. This is what I found so far. I can't believe it's still here. Oh, it's chipped and badly painted over. Even at half price, it's got to stay. This cranberry and clear glass vase was really heavy, but it doesn't sell for a lot, so I didn't put it in my cart. I headed over to the Christmas aisle and was looking at the dishes here on the bottom shelf. So I checked most of these are not vintage, although cute. Let's check these down here on the end. I'm looking for Libby. Okay, so these on the end are Libby. Not sure why that says 2 for $1.99, but it is an automatic yes into the cart. These are so cute. They're little bear ornaments, but they're $3.99 each. The Muffy Vanderbear collection. There's a whole bunch of them. The Masquerade Bear, you can barely see them in there. Ballerina Bear. Super heavy. I already have one of these. This is vintage. It's got butterflies on it. $1.99. This is Avon 1979. I am done going through the hard goods. I'm going to head over to the clothing aisle. And right away in the men's section, I see what I'm looking for. I'm in the men's sweater aisle looking for Christmas sweaters, ugly Christmas sweaters. That's a contender. Oh my goodness. That is also a contender. I'm in the women's section. Sweaters. What is this? That is awesome. Knitted by hand. $3.99. Of course, down in the red section, there's going to be some more. Oh, something wrong with this one. What is that, battery operated or something? Oh my gosh, look at this one. $9.99. Tan tags are half off. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, I could end up with 100 of these if I keep looking for them. Over in the green section, let's take a look. Okay, we got the unicorn. He's half price. Oh, and we got the kitty cats. Also half price. I am set for the next year. This is what my cart looks like as I'm leaving, and it is still raining, and they had no boxes or bags. This is by far the worst packing job I've ever had to do. I have no boxes, but I have all these sweaters, so I'm using that to protect my glassware and the other breakables in the trunk here. My cheeks are flushed. I was trying to hurry up in the rain here to get my cart unloaded into the back of the trunk and then take the cart back, because I always return the cart back to inside. I don't leave it all over the parking lot like some people do. And anyways, my total spend was just over $66. I could have sworn I put that receipt in my pocket, but it might be somewhere in my handbag. I don't know. But I know it was $66 and something. And when she said that, I said, oh, I get the senior discount, because they kept announcing that it was 25% off for senior discount, plus the tan tags were 50% off, assuming everything was, rung up correctly. But she told me right away, she goes, oh, I already gave you the discount. I didn't have to ask for it anymore now that I'm growing out my gray hair, which is fine by me. I'm going to tack the haul to the end of this video, so that will be coming up next. Actually, the haul will not be part of this video. It'll be the next video after this one. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.